Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back. In this class, we are going to learn lesson 13 in your grammar book. The topic of the lesson is the revision of tenses. I hope already you know about tenses and the kinds of tense. Today, we are going to just revise the part. Okay. So now, all of you take a textbook and take page number 88. Dear students, take page number 88. So what is tense first? You say tenses, it used to identify the time of an action. Correct? So which one we use to identify the time of an action? Verb. So with the verb only we can identify when it is happened, is a present or past or future. So here just recall, we know that the three tenses in English, that's called present tense, past tense and future tense. Correct? So they given on box C. The first one, present for I go, it is a V1 form. It means a verb 1. And second, past, I went. Here it is a V2 for a go. And future, I will go. So you know, I hope you know the rules for simple present, simple past and a simple future. So that is only given here. Future in the past, it's a tense used to indicate that is the time of past, something was it to be happen in the future. First, just recall what is the present tense. Present tense means what is going on now at the time of present. The past tense means already happened things, already finished actions. And future, it's supposed to be going to happen things. Clear? So here, that is only we know present, past and future. For each these tense, we have the 4 different forms. We know what are they. I'll tell, just listen. For first, we can see about present. So, what are the 4 forms? Simple present, present continuous, present perfect, present perfect continuous. Likewise, for the past tense, simple past, past continuous, past perfect, past perfect continuous. And third one, simple future, future continuous, future perfect continuous. I hope all you have studied in the previous classes itself. See, in the box they are given for the simple, progressive, perfect and perfect progressive. So what I said already. So first one, see, I go. So how it is changed? We know I went, I will go. This is for the simple tense. The what is meant by progressive? It is also known as a continuous tense. Continuous tense, how can we identify? So in all the continuous tense we have verb plus ing. So that is only given with a be verb. If it is a present continuous, we should use am, is or with the verb. For the past we should use was or were. For the future we use shall or will be with the verb. So that is only applied here also. For the present continuous, it is also known as a present progressive. It is known as a I am going. Here the I, the never change the subject, and am is changed as a was. I was, and next I will be going. And third type, perfect. So what is the general form of a perfect? So in all the type of tenses, the third form of verb only present, and of course we can use the be form have or has. So that is only given here also. I have gone, I had gone, I will have gone. Okay. For the present we should use have. For the past we here use had, and future will have. So how can you identify? With all with the be form only we can identify that. Next, present perfect continuous and past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous. That is only known as perfect progressive. The first one we can use have or has been. That is a rule. For the past, had been, and future will have been. So here I have been going, I had been going, I will have been going. Students have studied the tenses in the previous classes. Here we shall recapitulate briefly. First, the present, simple present or the indefinite tense is used to the habitual action for the universal truth. All of you take your pencil and mark the definition for the simple present tense. See the example. It rains in July and August in India. My mother gets up early. Here only with the subject, the verb form only given is a V1. For the present continuous, already known, it is a progressive tense. So its action progress at the time of speaking at the now it's a moment when we are talk. So it is raining now. My mother is cooking the kitchen now. Okay. So all of you, I hope understood the page number 88. Now all of you turn page number 89. Dear students, page number 89. There are certain verbs they do not have the present progressive form or the never used in the present continuous. So what are they? See the rules. Verbs of involuntary actions like hear, see, smell, notice, taste, and verbs of the possessions like have, own, belongs to, possess, contain, consist of. And third one, verbs expressing feelings and emotion as feel, want, wish, love, like, hate, fear, prefer, refuse, hope. And verbs of the mental activities as agree, appreciate, understand, think, believe, forget, know, mean, suppose, remember, mind. So see, already we know the three types and the forms. Of course, rules also we know, but you should understood them where we used this tense and where we don't use that also you should remember. All of you study this also. Okay. Next one, present perfect tense. It is used for the recently completed action like I have sent him 2000 rupees for through the money order. It means the time just when we are talking the time only the action completed. I have read 3 novels since the beginning of the month. So here also action completed just before. Next one, the present perfect continuous is used for the action which began in the past and it's still continuing. It means it is happened, it is started on the past but it is continue even now. That is the present perfect means completed. So you can know present perfect continuous. So action still continues, action known as a present perfect continuous. I have sending him money every month. So what are they? I have been writing letters since breakfast. Always remember, since indicates some point of the time, for indicates some length of the time. Okay. So always remember this. So this is only given in this page. I hope all who understood the present tense. So what are the 4 forms? What are the rules? I hope you know. All of you study the definition and do test yourself book back exercise. The first Roman, use the correct tense form of the verbs given in the bracket. So what is the rule? Present simple already I told. V plus yes, it means a verb 1 plus s or es. The present progressive is am or v plus ing. And the third one for present perfect, that is given in the next page. Okay. So do this exercise given in page number 89. First you try your own self. After that you check at the book back if you write the correct answer or not. Okay. Now turn page number 90. Dear students, page number 90. Second Roman. Use the correct tense form of the verbs given in the bracket. For the present perfect, what is the rule? Have or have plus V3 and a progressive for have or has been plus V plus ing. So that is given the tense sentence. First you should read the questions. After that you can do the exercise. Okay. Third Roman, add since or for. So where we used since, where we used for, you know. So read all the 10 sentences, afterwards write the answer. For the fourth Roman, use the correct tense form of the verbs given in the bracket. So this is also they are given for or since. Okay. So all of you, first you should recall the present tense completely. So what is the rule for simple present, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. After that only you can do the book back exercise. Of course, I already told study the definitions also, rules also. Okay. Now turn page number 91. Dear students, take page number 91. So in this page we are going to revise past tense. So already I said what is past tense. Past tense, it is already happened things. See, simple past tense or the past, the indefinite tense is used for the action completed in the past. See the example, I met him yesterday, we went to Simla last year. It is a very common mistake to use the present perfect in the place of the past simple. It means a simple past. He has come yesterday is wrong. he came yesterday is a correct for the simple past. Okay. The present perfect tense denotes the time so that it can be used with the word or phrase denoting the past time. The past continuous or the past progressive tense is used for an action which continued for some time in the past. The exact limits of time are not taken, are not known, or not important. See the example. He was working at the time. She was waiting for me when I went there. So in the example we can understand what is that indicate. The past simple is used for the completed activity in the past, while past continuous is used for the continuing activity here. See the example. When I came, he was having breakfast. Here came, it known as a V2 form. Was having is a continuous. Okay. She fell down while she was playing tennis. And third one, while the teacher was teaching, the boys were talking. There are two times. It's a continuing the verb action. Okay. The past perfect is used the action completed before some particular moment of the past. So first one, he had already left for a home before the boss called him. She had done nothing till I reached there. Remember, for the two action taking place in the past, the action took the first place is put the past perfect. The later action is the past simple. Okay. So you know the difference. If it is a one verb form, we can easily identify. If it is a two past form, it is a same in the one sentence. The first one is considered as the past perfect. Second one is of course it is a simple tense. Okay. I had done my homework when Anju came. Here had come, sorry, had done is known as a past perfect. Came is a general past. It means a simple past. So likewise only second and third example also. And next, the past perfect continues used for an activity that began before the particular time of the past or still continuing at the time. The first one, when I reached there at 2, they had been waiting for me since 1:30. At the time he was very tired because he had been working 6 hours. So understood the difference between the first and the second sentence. Okay. So I hope all were understood the past form, the simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous. Okay. So revise this page clearly and study all the definition and study one example also. Then only you can do the book back exercise given in the next page. Now turn page number 92. Page number 92. Test yourself. First Roman, use the correct tense form of the verbs given in the bracket. Simple. So the past simple V2 or the past progressive was or were plus verb plus ing. For the second Roman, use the correct tense from the following verbs in the given bracket. The first Roman they are given 10 sentence. For the second Roman, had plus V3 for the past perfect. On the simple past, V2. So here also 10 questions given. For page number 93, third Roman, this is also for the past tense exercise. Use the correct tense of the forms given in the bracket. V2 or the past perfect have or has plus V3. Okay. Future tense we can see in the next class. Now I hope all have understood the topic of revision of tense. So all of you complete the book back exercise given in page number 89 to 93, third Roman. Okay. So first you can write your own self. After that you check whether you write the correct answer or not. Then you complete and refer the book back. Okay. Thank you. We can see in the next class.